1. Proper handling during transport. Avoid physical damage. Handle ESD PVC flooring tiles with care to prevent scratches, dents, or other physical damage. Antistatic tiles should be transported in their original packaging. Secure the load. Ensure that the static control flooring tiles are securely loaded and properly stacked in the transport vehicle. Use pallets to avoid shifting during transit. Container loading. To mitigate the risk of damage caused by impacts or friction, it is advisable to utilize bubble wrap as a protective barrier between items. Additionally, please ensure that the total weight does not exceed the specified weight limit of the container. 2. Storage guidelines. Store on flat surfaces. Always store ESD plastic flooring tiles on flat, level surfaces to prevent warping or bending. Avoid stacking anti-static flooring tiles too high to prevent pressure damage. Avoid direct sunlight. Store the ESD control tiles in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight and heat sources. 3. Pre-installation preparation. Acclimate the tiles. Before installation, allow the static vinyl flooring tiles to acclimate to the room's temperature for at least 24 hours. This helps avoid expansion or contraction after installation. By following these tips, you can ensure that your ESD VCT flooring remains in excellent condition during transport and storage, preserving its physical integrity and static control properties.